I have 3 packages. Sugar snap peas. I defrosted them and then drained them. There's still a little moisture in the bottom. So we want to cook off a little bit of the moisture first. About 10 minutes. Remember, those were room temperature. And I'm going to use about half of this. Three ounces. So 1 ounce for every 10-ounce package. Whoops, a little over. Might need more, wait for it. Bam! I'll let that cool off a little and then throw it into a holding cell, pot, pan, Pyrex. And there you go. I tried to do something vegetarian for my vegetarian viewers. Apricot Teriyaki sugar snaps. The smell is amazing. Look at that. That's flavor. No oil. No moisture. Oh wait. Show you what it looks like. Look at that. Well, maybe a little moisture. Delicious. Love it.